So auscultatory percussion can also be used for detecting fractures in long bones. And just as x-rays were starting to become popular, this technique actually came to be. And basically the principle is if your femur is intact and I tap on the patella, I should hear it at the symphysis pubis. It's also good for diagnosing pelvic fractures, which often escape diagnosis in plain films and ERs. So if you have a really good story that's not making sense with a chest x-ray, this is a really good confirmatory maneuver. So it looks like this. I'm going to put the diaphragm just over the symphysis pubis and tap alternately on the patellas. And these sound exactly the same at the stethoscope. And this technique relies on that transmission through intact bone to the stethoscope. So either a fracture of the femur or pelvic bones will result in a decrease in transmission of sound on the affected side.